Cloth and Flame is an outdoor dining company that takes their guests out into the desert, prepares a beautiful meal and beverage in a spectacular setting. They were featured in Sunset Magazine and asked us to be a guest chef for this shoot. They asked us to make a local Arizona menu, and what we decided to serve was a Arizona citrus salad with dates, goat cheese, pistachios, sweet shallot vinaigrette. And for an entree, we did a mixed grill with some 2 Wash Ranch chickens, sausage, some beef, and a little bit of Chimayo chili sauce. Served next to Hayden Flour Mills, corn polenta, and some farmers market vegetables. For dessert, we served a campfire creme brulee garnished with some of our local flowers from Maya. We had an amazing time, such a great group of people, and we were just really happy to be part of it.